Let's break down modern concrete home design ideas, exterior and interior. Here's what you need to know. Industrial minimalism uses board form walls and polished floors. Thermal mass keeps these homes energy efficient. Quick answer: popular concrete design options include stamped patterns, exposed aggregate, acid staining, and decorative borders. Mix textures and colors for unique results. Moving on to modern concrete house designs, industrial minimalism. Modern concrete homes combine industrial aesthetics with energy efficiency. Board form walls and polished floors create a minimalist, contemporary look, while concrete's thermal mass provides natural energy efficiency. Next up, board form walls. Board form concrete creates the signature modern look. Wood grain texture from form boards. Industrial, minimalist aesthetic. Natural, organic feel. Contemporary design element. Let's talk about polished floors. Polished concrete floors complete the modern look. Smooth, seamless surface. Industrial aesthetic. Low maintenance. Durable and long-lasting. Here's the deal with thermal mass, energy efficiency. Concrete's thermal mass provides natural energy efficiency. Absorbs heat during day. Releases heat at night. Reduces heating and cooling costs. Natural temperature regulation. Now let's look at the bottom line. Modern concrete homes use board form walls and polished floors for industrial minimalism. The thermal mass of concrete provides natural energy efficiency, making these homes both beautiful and practical. Interested in Inch's modern concrete design? Contact local concrete contractor. We specialize in Inch's contemporary concrete construction that combines aesthetics and efficiency. Moving on to need help with your concrete project? For a free quote on your project, visit localconcretecontractor.com. Thanks for watching.